Most of you, your fathers took somebody's land by force when he was here on earth, and you are going to do water work alone, thinking that that water work is going to save you. You've been going around from one dibia to another, from Ezenwoke to Ezenwine, doing different kind of water work and obanje work. My dear, after doing that water work and obanje work, you have to go back and correct the mistakes that your fathers did. Yes. There's not two ways about it. You have to go and correct it. And also many people will start asking me, how do you correct it? How do you do this? How do you do that? Now, there are so many people that you don't actually have problem. The only problem you have is coming from your compound, your father's compound. Ana ahụ na-ele ọkụ, ngwulu ahụ na-ele ọkụ, family ahụ na-ele ọkụ, ezinụlọ ahụ na-ele ọkụ. And how do you solve all these problems? You really need to go back and start doing cleansing. Now, enwekwara ụdị land grabbing that only cleansing will not solve it. Especially if the owner of that land has gone to a particular deity to go and report that matter. My dear, you need to start asking questions to find out that particular deity, to go and start correcting some things. Most of you, your fathers, your mothers committed a whole lot of things, and you think you can overlook those things to go and start jumping from one river to another, saying you are doing appeasement. And after everything, you come and be complaining that your appeasement is not working, is not doing this, is not doing that. Most of you, is not spiritual husband that is doing you. Most of you, is not spiritual wife that is doing you. Most of you, the thing that is coming out in your alpha as spiritual wife or spiritual husband are deities that had something to do with your fathers and mothers. That are deities that are in revenge because of what your fathers or your mothers might have committed, because they felt they can actually do that and nothing can happen to them. Or you've never heard when somebody or where somebody is praying and the person is saying so and so person, both the person, his children, her grandchildren, her great grandchildren, her entire lineage. You've never heard of such a ego, for you never hear them before, or you think it does not exist. You think those kind of ego for prayers doesn't hold water. That's why I said self-awareness in this spiritual journey is very, very important. Self-discovery, self-study in this spiritual journey is over important. Family background history is over important. And you want to ignore all these things. You think because you have seen where they are hyping water work, because you've seen where they are hyping obanje work, you think only that obanje work and the water work is the only process you need. Or maybe rather, you come and start complaining that after this person has done water work or water appeasement or banja appeasement, that you are not still seeing anything. You not go see something because there is something huge that is blocking, that is still standing in your front, and you are neglecting that and you are looking the other way around. Little things matters. You see, in this spiritual journey, there are steps to these things that but you people think is only what you see here on social media. Adandibo is my name. Adandibo is my name. Adandibo is my name. Her ancestors' pride. Her ancestors' daughter. Keep watching.